We use hot water every day, when we bathe, wash dishes, or do laundry. But have you ever wondered where hot water comes from? The answer lies inside a device called the water heater. A water heater's job is simple: turn cold water into hot water. Let's explore how this amazing machine works step by step. Cold water enters the heater through the inlet pipe. Inside, the water fills a strong storage tank. At the bottom, a heating element, or gas burner, begins warming the water. As water heats up, it becomes lighter and rises to the top. The thermostat measures the water's heat and keeps it safe. When hot water is used, it leaves through the outlet pipe. At the same time, fresh cold water enters to replace it. This cycle continues, giving you hot water whenever you need it. The tank is wrapped with insulation to keep heat inside. Safety comes first. A pressure relief valve prevents danger. If water gets too hot or pressure builds up, the valve opens. Some heaters use electricity to heat. Others use natural gas or propane flame. Both methods do the same job: heating water fast. That's the basic principle of every water heater. Some heaters are tank type, storing water inside. Others are tankless, heating water instantly. Tank type heaters are great for families who need lots of hot water. Tankless heaters save energy because they only heat water when needed. There are also solar water heaters, powered by sunlight. Solar heaters use the sun's energy, making them eco-friendly. Some homes use heat pump water heaters, which pull heat from the air. Each type works differently, but the goal is the same: hot water for you. Choosing the right water heater depends on your home's needs. Big homes, small apartments, or eco-friendly families, T-Here is a heater for all. To keep your heater working well, check it regularly. Flushing the tank removes minerals that build up inside. Replacing the anode rod protects the tank from rust. Keeping the thermostat at the right setting saves energy. Safety check: never block the vents of a gas heater. With good care, a water heater can last many years. Hot water is a comfort we often take for granted. But behind the walls, Science and engineering make it possible. Remember, cold water in, heat applied, hot water out. Thanks to water heaters, life is warmer, cleaner, and easier.